Now we will try to read the file using the normal way without the helper functions, and we'll compare the time of reading the file between the helper method and the normal method. Okay, I will run the code. First, I will run it as one shot. Now let's try this. I will read a small file because it will take a very long time if we read the huge file using the normal way. This file is a little bit normal size. It takes 689 milliseconds to be read using the helper method. Now let's do the same using the iterator, the same file. It's now being read. It takes 1, 2, 3, 12 seconds to read the same file. This file actually is not small. It is a little bit big to explain the difference in time. Let's see the file itself. Here is the file. The file, I think it is, you can see that it is 182 rows by 108 columns. And as we can see, it takes about 12 seconds to be read using the normal way and takes less than 1 second using the helper function. Okay, now let's go through the code to check the code. Here is the code starting from this. I will make a breakpoint. I will put a breakpoint here. Let's try it again. Test. This is a file. I will read it. First, we will open a dialog. I will select this file. Okay, now it will be read using this code. I just put this before and under the time span to check the timing of reading the file. First, I will read it using the stream, as we can see. Then, using the package, I will load the stream. Okay, it's being read. Now I will iterate all worksheets. Now this iterator will start. We can get the boundaries of the iteration using the properties bottom, right, left, and top. Here we will start from row 1 and go to the bottom, and then from column 1 and go to the right. Very simple to do the iteration and to find all properties. As we can see, we iterate here and we get the value using the .text property in the cell, and we can reference the cell using I and j, which is row and column of the cell. The running operation is progress. Okay, 12 seconds. 12 seconds to finish. This is the code. It's very simple. You can iterate the file using this method, just the worksheet.cells, and give it ij, or give it the name of the cell using the string format of in Excel, like A1, B1, C1, something like that. Thank you.